Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, my ally username. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would anyone care about your ally username? Well, the answer is simple, because it's a part of who I am. It's a reflection of my personality, my interests, and my values. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is my ally username? My ally username is @Gemini. I chose this username because I wanted something that was both unique and memorable. I also wanted something that reflected my love for language and literature. Why did I choose @Gemini? The word Gemini is Latin for twin. I chose this word because I believe that we are all born with two sides to our personality. There is the side of us that is public and visible to the world. And then there is the side of us that is private and hidden from view. My ally username is a reflection of my public self. It is the side of me that I want the world to see. It is the side of me that is creative, curious, and compassionate. What does my ally username mean to me? My ally username means a lot to me. It is a symbol of my identity and my individuality. It is also a reminder that I am not alone in this world. There are many other people out there who are just like me. How can you use my ally username? You can use my ally username to connect with me on social media. You can also use it to search for my videos on YouTube. What are some of my favorite things about my ally username? There are many things that I love about my ally username. But here are a few of my favorites. It is unique and memorable. It reflects my personality and my interests. It is a symbol of my identity and my individuality. It is a reminder that I am not alone in this world. What are some of the things I do on Ally? I use Ally to create and share videos about my life, my passions, and my interests. I also use it to connect with other people who share my interests. What are some of my favorite Ally creators? I have many favorite Ally creators, but here are a few of my favorites. @Zoella. @Casey Neistat. @Liza Koshy. @Mark Rober. @PewDiePie. What are some of the tips I have for new Ally users? If you're new to Ally, here are a few tips. Be yourself. Be creative. Be authentic. Connect with other people who share your interests. Have fun. What are some of the things I hope to achieve with my Ally channel? I hope to use my Ally channel to inspire and motivate others. I also hope to create a community where people can come together and share their experiences and ideas. What is the future of Ally? I believe that the future of Ally is bright. As more and more people discover the platform, it will continue to grow and evolve. I am excited to see what the future holds for Ally and for all of us who use it. I hope you enjoyed this video about my Ally username. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.